Good morning to one and all present here. Thank you for getting here on time. Before proceeding, I'd like to welcome our chairman, Mr. Prathamesh Kewat.
Thank you all for being present in the meeting. So can we call this meeting to order?
Yes, sir.
So Ms. Saloni, are the minutes of the last meeting approved by everyone? And is everyone present in the meeting?
Yes, sir. The meeting minutes were approved by everyone. As for absenteeism, Mr. Shah has been transferred to our embassy in the United States of America. So in his absence, I'd like to nominate Mr. Ankit Dubey to be the managing director of our company. Give your opinions for the same. Those in favor, say yes.
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 Okay, so with everyone's vote, Mr. Ankit Dubey has been appointed the new managing director of this company.
So since everyone is here, Mr. Kewat, can we proceed with the meeting?
Yes, Ms. Saloni, you proceed.
This meeting has been called out in order to outline our marketing plan. I have printed out the minutes of products and services. Ms. Suraksha, can you please enlighten us with the reports and updates on our products and services and also our relation with the international clients?
Sure, Ms. Saloni. So here, welcome everyone. I'm Ms. Suraksha, an account manager associated with Agni Industries. And in today's meeting, as we would be discussing about our products and services related with summarizing and interpreting the financial data. So as revenue expenditure is concerned, it lays down conditions to recognize revenues to arise from the various transactions. As you all have reviewed the account details in the last meeting and are aware of it, I would like to ask you all to please suggest what changes we could make to benefit with more income revenues. Would you all like to make any changes to the income revenues?
No, Mr. Raksha, you may proceed.
Okay, so thank you. I will proceed with the next minutes. Minute. ऐसा कोई एक मिनट आई कैन से लाइक कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा आई मीन ये आवाज नहीं आ रही है
बोलना
अरे बोलना तुझे तेरी आ जाएगी ना हमको
मैं पूछी पहले कि बोलूं या नहीं किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट अंडर द कैश बेसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग एक्चुअल कैश रिसिप्ट्स एंड actual cash payments would be recorded and all the records would be prepared specifically for a period which would be useful for future references. Thus, following the main objective of analyzing and recording business transactions, reporting results of business operations through periodic statements and interpreting such results for purposes of effective control for future operations. Anyone with further queries?
No.
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 Okay.
I would also like to know about our production outcome and export in the international market.
Yes, sir. Mr. Jitin will tell us about the development of our international shipments on our goods and services.
I would like to add to Ms. Suraksha's point. She spoke that the accounts and finances of the company export plays a major role in the money factor. But before starting the discussion, let us first celebrate the success of a company. You all will be glad to hear that we are in the second position in the market. I would like to add to Ms. Suraksha's point. She spoke about accounts and finances of the company. Export plays a major role in the money factor. But before starting the discussion, let us first celebrate the success of a company. You all will be glad to hear that we are in the second position in the market in terms of number of products exported this year. And this is because of your coordination and teamwork. 3 cheers for all of us. If we keep this consistency on, then we will be at the top by the end of next year. So let us work and do our best. Now coming back, to the main discussion for which the meeting is organized. Our company is doing well in terms of producing quality products. Customers from many countries where we export our products are liking them, and we have captured a huge amount of market, but still we are not globalized yet. We are trading with our neighboring countries only till now, and now it's time to step up and expand our business outside Asian countries. But before starting this, we need to take certain precautions. The Western countries already have a lot of competition in the market, so we need to provide same quality products as that are available in their market. Also, the prices should be less, and this is the problem where we are stuck, as these Western countries impose heavy taxes on products imported to the country. So if a product cost around $1,000, so after passing it through customs department, shipment and insurance, the product may rise to about $1,300 to $1,500. But I have gone through this and found out a way to bypass this. we can uh, we can tie up with a local shipment company which will take care of our shipment after sales service. As these companies will be local, so the government will exempt some amount of taxes, and in this way the actual taxes will be reduced, and we will be able to deliver our products as it is. The cost will be low as compared to the other. So I think this is a good strategy. I request you all to think on this and give a suggestion on it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jiten, for enlightening us about this.
Mr. Mesa, our marketing director, and Mr. Rupesh, our sales manager, can you put forth your new marketing strategies and communication strategies? And also, what all features we can add by collaborating with other companies? Mr. Rupesh, you may proceed.
Good morning, everyone present here. As our company, Agni Electronics Private Limited, is gathering more number of responses from market, and our beloved customers are liking our products, and we need to focus on that we get the desired amount of quality products with to our customers, so that we will be maintaining that customer relationship. And to grow more in our market, we are using some hoarding things and on several places, and to acquire more customer to our company. There is a tremendous amount of increase in our the pressure is also there for upgrowing market schemes in our competitive world. So we are looking forward with many things, such as we are planning out different strategies everywhere, like we are presenting our products on global market, and we are having this tremendous sales of in going product, and we are focusing on existing customers, and by giving quality products to our customers, will motivate new customer to join our company's product. We'll try to come up with the unique products as well to connect with more number of customers. At the same time, we will be giving better customer service to our customers, so that more number of customers will join us, so that we'll gain more number of responses, and we'll be on top level in coming years. So this is the things we are working on it, and our team workers are also working very hard with all this. And as Jiten said, we have so much of export outside the market, and we have so competitive world around us. So we have to do something unique from other market strategies as well. So we are focusing on that as well. And to improve our more number of sales in the market, we have put our team workers on several areas to globalize and put hoardings of our products, so that customer will come to know what kind of products we are giving to them, and what kind of qualities we are serving them. So yeah, these all things we are. Thank you.
Ms. Rumesa, can you please tell us about the new features which we are going to add?
Good afternoon, everyone. For starters, we have a team of exceptionally hardworking and dedicated employees. I have been tracking changes in supply and demand, identifying customers and their current and future needs, and monitoring the competition. There are a few short-term and long-range issues that must be addressed. We need to hold an international audit so that our company can get recognized by other countries. The short and long-term market forecast and reports by directing market research collection, analysis, and interpretation of market data is already emailed to the HR. The PR team has done a remarkable job in promoting our goods on social media and other platforms. The key to increase our production and bring new ideas is to develop a stress-free and work-friendly environment in the office.
कहाँ से करना है?
हाँ,
हाँ,
ये तू
ठीक है. I would like to add to this point, a work-friendly environment can be achieved by changing the infrastructure. We can use the leftover money and construct an auditorium where employees can share ideas and get creative. This involvement will be beneficial for the future.
exactly. The budget needed for the promotion, creation, and maintenance will be mailed by today evening.
okay. And Mr. Rupesh proposal regarding the sales is quite appealing and will definitely be approved. And Ms. Rumesa, can you please elaborate the idea of feature development?
Yes, sir. As far as increasing our market is concerned, we could make an integrated app which will help the people connect to each other and us easily. After consulting with internal and external sources, I came to a conclusion to develop new uses for existing products, which need your approval. We can maintain relations with customers by organizing and developing specific customer relation programs and determining company presence at conventions, annual meetings, trade associations, and seminars. I have the responsibility of directing our brand to places and in ways that match the aspirations and visions of the business. The challenge is to continually keep us way ahead of our competition and to stay true to the value of business and the expectation of our fans. I love working with an immensely talented team and exploring the limits of what can be achieved across multiple digital, experimental, and social platforms. Thank you.
That's a different strategy, and I will surely think about it.
Mr. Jitin, now can you please give us your strategic guidance and direction to the board to maximize our profitability so that we can attain the interests of our shareholders for the progress of our economy?
At Agni Group, we believe that our business must touch the lives of people meaningfully. We have been serving as a trusted infrastructure partner in India. Today, 6 companies are under the Agni Group umbrella. We have evolved as a multinational and diversified business entity. We have executed projects worth US $1 billion in last 5 years. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Jitin, that's a very good strategy, and I'm very glad to hear that our company is evolving at such a greater speed.
Mr. Ankit Mishra, our legal advisor, can you please draft legal document for our marketing plan? To summarize then, let me just run through what we have agreed here. We have analyzed our business transaction, prepared results of business operation through periodic statement, agreed up on tying up with local shipment and custom clearance company, and most importantly, permission has been granted for creating our new integrated app. So, any final thoughts before we close the meeting? Anyone?
So,
No.
Okay.
No.
If you have any further question or want to discuss any point in more detail, we can meet privately or you can send me an email. Thank you everyone for attending. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.